Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch to data. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS and your Apple Watch has the most recent Watch OS. Keep your devices close together and have your cellular plan details from your carrier readily available. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth setup process, saving you time and potential headaches later on. We'll guide you through each step to get your watch connected. Now, let's activate the cellular service. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap on the cellular option. You'll then see a prompt to set up your mobile data. Follow the clear on-screen instructions, which will likely involve logging into your cellular carrier account. This step links your watch to your existing phone plan, allowing it to share your data allowance. It's a straightforward process that usually takes just a few minutes. Once activated, it's important to confirm your connection. Swipe up on your Apple Watch to access the control center and look for the cellular icon. You should see green bars indicating a strong signal. To truly test it, try making a phone call or sending a text message when your iPhone is not nearby. Remember that using cellular data will consume your plan's allowance and can impact your watch's battery life, so monitor your usage. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your iPhone and Apple Watch can often resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, contact your cellular carrier directly. They can assist with plant-specific activation or network issues. Always confirm your carrier supports Apple Watch cellular service before starting. Be mindful that frequent cellular use will reduce your watch's battery life, typically by several hours, so plan accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.